Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share today that Danessa Myricks has released a new Freedom palette. If you're familiar, she had the Freedom 7 that came out, I believe it was last year. This is a very favorite, if not my very favorite, eyeshadow palette that I own. It has the mirror on top. It comes with a case. These all come out, they stack. I do have a stack in my bedroom of the Freedom, I believe it was 6. But you can do all kinds of things with these palettes. They stack upwards, magnetic. You can pop them out in the back. And this particular palette was super popular because it was a little more wearable, it was said. So what she did was she took 6 shades out of this palette and made a single. So do I already have these shades in this palette? I do, but I still wanted to pick it up. I wanted to show you because it's a really genius idea. Some people don't want all of these shades. Some people will never wear this shade or this shade. So what she did was she took some shades out, made a 6-pan, and you can have the everyday palette with the beautiful Danessa Myricks formula. Plus, this palette is no longer available. I believe this one is also limited edition. I don't know why. Maybe to create an urgency. As per usual, you get a bag that you can keep your stack in. It opens and closes really nice, great for travel. You get a mirror. This is a rose gold color. There you go. And then here are the colors. And when I compare, it's this matte, these 2 mattes, this matte, and then the 2 shimmers are, I believe, these 2 right here. So if you own this palette, you don't need this palette, but I know a lot of people don't own this palette. So today I'm going to put an eye look together for you just to show how wearable and beautiful this palette is. These shimmers are stunning. I'm going to start with my Refer 14, and I'll go into this matte right here. And I'm going to do a halo eye. So I'm going to start on this side and this side. And if you want to see more looks with this palette, just let me know. Just on each edge and then carry them over. Next I'll take my JennDBeauty E04 and I'll go into this deeper brown and just deepen it a little bit more, keeping it a little bit closer. You can see this shade has a lot more warmth. Now I'll take my Alter Ego 11 and go into this black. Just really focus even tighter. Notice how the darker I go with the shade, the smaller I go with the brush. Of course, you could take this creamy matte and go right in the center for a pretty matte look, but I'm going to play with the shimmers. I'll take this shimmer right here, and this one is very soft. Here's where we're talking everyday. Just taking that original Refer. I'm going to take this JennDBeauty and just match up the bottom a little bit. That was the deeper brown, the Alter Ego 11 into the black, and then that Refer into that first shade. And just put that right in the center to blend. I'm just going to quickly match this eye. Now we are matching this shimmer, very wearable, very soft. I want to get into this one. This one is a little bit thicker, but it is still very smooth and reflective. And I'm going to go right on top. And one of the nice things about her shimmers is they are made for layering. They usually behave when you put them on top of each other. So I'm getting very little fallout. I'm using a clean finger to just blend those edges, making it a little bit higher into the crease. Do you see the difference? Kind of day to night. Match the other eye. And you barely have to press into those pans. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to take a little bit of my Sephora Collection 12-hour black liner. This is in Black Lace. And I'm going to go in the upper and bottom, outer and inner waterline. I'm not going to go in the center. And a little bit above. And then just for funsies, I brought in one of her multi-chrome liners. This is the Lilac Quartz from Danessa Myricks. It's got some really pretty purples and golds and pinks in it. I'm gonna put that in the center. I went a little bit in the waterline and a little bit below. Just adds a little pop. And then I'll finish off with a little bit of one of my favorite mascara duos at the moment. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara, and of course the Tarte tubing on the bottom. Now, when I do a halo eye, I focus the mascara in the center and a little lighter on the edges, whereas typically I would focus over here for more of a cat eye. But for a halo, you want your eyes to be more open in the center. This mascara is amazing. And then a little bit on the tips of those lashes. Extra insurance. Let me go ahead and swatch these shades for you if you want a closer look at the specific shades. So creamy, easy to blend. You've got a mix of, I would say, warm and cool. A nice inky black to use for a liner. And then you have two shimmer shades. One that's going to be that beautiful champagne glow, and the other one that's going to give you that va va boom. I mean, look at that. It's just gorgeous. And this one is $48 as compared to, if you were able to get your hands on this one, for $125. So I think this was genius. I think it's gorgeous. It should be available on the Danessa Myricks website as well as Sephora. I do have a lot of Danessa Myricks on my face today. I have her Blurring Balm. I have one of her Blurring Balm powder flushed. I have Creme Brulee as my bronzer, and then as my blush I have the Roseanne Brunch. I have her lowlighter used as highlight in the shade Unbothered, her concealer, and her pink powder. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. I'm very happy that this is here. I was so excited to share this with you because I know a lot of people are going to be happy and grab this. If you decide to shop with my links, I want to thank you so much. They are affiliate links and I make a small commission that helps support me and my channel. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love for you to join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.